What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas Day 6. I am not in the city, so this vlog, I'm gonna see what I can do for y'all. It's probably just gonna be like a spend a day with me, self-care day, like let y'all know what I do when I'm not out with the car. And also, y'all go follow my sister on Instagram at 64Taint. I gotta run a couple errands, so right now I am about to go get a Walmart pickup with my passenger princess. Get over there in your seat. You know, stay in school, chase your dreams, you know what I'm saying? But it's just the amount of work they give online students for school. It's outrageous. Like, y'all, I stayed up literally this past week till like 3 o'clock in the morning doing schoolwork because they just want to give hella tests the last week of school. And it's like, if I don't do them, I'm gonna fail the class and I gotta pass because I gotta get into nursing school. So it's just been, I'm not gonna lie, he's been kicking my ass. So y'all, I've been trying to stay consistent. I've been trying to post reels. I've been trying to, you know, keep the motion going, but damn, motherfucker got a little kick to it. I ain't gonna cap. Like, bro, I just got done crying because I've been doing math. I did math homework for 12 hours straight yesterday. 12 hours straight. My God, I did math homework for 12 hours straight. And when I tell you, I still got homework. I still had to wake up because the last day of school is today. I still had to wake up at 10 in the morning, which is not really early. I had to wake up at 10 in the morning after going to sleep at like 4 o'clock in the morning from doing math homework just to do more math homework. Chloe, we sick of this, ain't we? All right, y'all. Let me take this out. All right, y'all. I'm gonna leave Walmart. I had just did my Walmart pickup. I really don't know what to do. Like, I'm not in the city, so I can't be with my crew. You know what I'm saying? So today is just gonna be a normal day with 392 dog. Like, this is like what I do when I'm not on the car scene, what I do on my days off. But yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all want to see. Yeah, y'all definitely let me know what y'all want to see in the video, what type of content y'all want to see, like who y'all want to see me collab with. Let me know something. Talk to me. Let me know something. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get back to the spot. Alright, can I get a just a pup cup?
Just a pup cup today?
Yeah, that's it.
Alrighty, we'll get you at the window.
Thank you. What do y'all be getting from Starbucks? I only be getting like the strawberry frappuccino or like the vanilla bean. I don't really like Starbucks like that. Not you done pulled up.
You know, I see you at work.
Alright.
I say, yeah, I think I ain't. I'ma holler at her.
Be safe, you too. Y'all go follow my girl Lisa, my cuz right there. Y'all, no way. I just hit 34,000 miles. I remember when I hit 10 miles in my car, y'all. I literally remember when I hit 10 miles in this car and I'm already at 34,000. That's really not a lot because I got my car in 2021. So I'm I mean, I guess I'm doing good. I guess. Look at her. She can't wait. She know where we at. She like, give me my Starbucks. Give me my Starbucks. Alright, y'all. So I ended up coming home. Took the groceries in the house. My dog ate her pup cup. I'm finna insert a clip right now. Alright, so now I got Mama $392 in the car. Say what's up to the camera. And I'm finna take her for a ride because she done been in the car with me, but she ain't never like felt me drive for real. So I'm just gonna take her on a quick ride.
I don't want to feel it today for real.
What you say a while ago?
What you mean?
You don't got a choice, D. So yeah, we finna anyways, we finna go for a little ride. I'm gonna get her reaction for you guys.
Ain't no reaction. No reaction.
She gonna try to play tough until I start sliding this hoe.
I swear.
You swear what?
If you slide this hole, okay,
What are you gonna do?
you'll see. Not today. Not tonight. Dang, can you get out though?
I don't know. You big old Audi in a way. Big Tonka truck right there.
Seriously.
Big Tonka truck. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all go follow my mama on Instagram. She gonna start making content. If this video get to 10K views, she gonna go buy a track hawk straight off the lot. So tell them go
Definitely go follow me on Instagram, but I don't know about buying no track hawk.
just say you gonna buy a track hawk. It's clickbait. When she get 10K on Instagram, she gonna buy a track hawk, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all go follow my mama at I'm finna put her at right here, cause I don't know her Instagram name. Her at right here. All right, you gonna have to hold the camera, cause I can't drive and hold the camera. It's gotta be on you. They don't want my reaction. They want yours.
I'm not gonna react.
Mama, come on now. Hold it back a little bit. Kind of turn it so you. There we go. There we go. Turn it a little
And
more.
if you
Don't
start
look at
doing
me.
this-
Don't look at me. Look at them.
You start doing some crazy stuff, this camera going buggy.
All right, y'all. So we finna start spinning right now. Right when I get to the end of this street.
You know, it's really in the car.
You ready? We finna do it right now.
You went crazy. Ran a stop sign.
Look, I did not run a stop sign.
did
This is
run a
not
stop
even a real video. We are playing GTA, so if the police...
That's a real stop sign.
Mama,
Don't do that.
you scared?
Don't do that.
Hey, when I do what?
Got the head jerk.
You hear that whine?
Yeah.
What is it? What? I don't need a Hellcat, do it.
Stop the cap.
I got a whine. I got the fastest wide body scat in Georgia. Alright, y'all. We finna go get some meat to go in the Alfredo because I forgot to get the steak.
Say it. She wanted me to eat some sauce and some noodles.
Hey, well, me personally, I like Alfredo with no meat, but she talking about she wants some steak, so we finna go get some steak for her.
That's right. And she better not eat none either.
I'm cooking.
You don't want no steak, remember?
I don't. I probably won't eat none.
Yes.
did it feel to know like you had a daughter and she grew up to be the best driver in the family?
Is that what you think?
That's what I know.
Is that what you think?
That's what I know.
Who said you're the best driver?
Everybody. At least I got a vlog drop for y'all today. I'm on the road, day 2 in a row. Vlogmas. I still gotta go home and do my homework. I had told y'all earlier that I got some homework left to do. Classes as of right now, so that's really good. But I still just gotta take my midterm for my math class. Y'all pray that I pass it because I'm not too good at math. I'm good at counting money, but I'm not too good at algebraic equations. So alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope y'all like the content. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. And follow my Instagram at 392 where to lit at.
Send all the drugs.